for the boat and Marcus will aura farm. Let's go! Marcus! Stop aura farming. Okay. Here, Marcus. Here. I will spawn the boat. One player. Oh my god. Marcus! Okay. Thanks to all of you for the 100 subscribers. Ouch, this head. And don't forget to write your username because you may get 1000 Robux. Okay. Wow! Ah! 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 Oh my god, bro. This here. Okay. Ah! Ah! Okay. Ah! I am the worst driver ever. Ah! Marcus, why did you stop aura farming? You ain't giving luck. Aura farm. I said aura farm. No. Okay, goodbye. Ah, speed of Sonic. Meow. Ah, ba, ba, ba. Ba, 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 ba. Marcus, do another or dance to aura farm because this is not a good. Oh my god, bro. Don't show me your Gaia. Oh, okay. Better. No, it's not better. Marcus, the normal. Do the normal aura farm. Oh my god, Marcus! Okay. Even now will be good. Let's see, go catch him. Let's see. Let's see, catch him out. Yeah, checkpoint! Anyway, Marcus, let's go there. How can I leave? Okay. Marcus, come, come. Okay. This was the video, guys. Like and subscribe and help us hit 150 subscribers. How are you still aura farming? Anyway, bye.